Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make Antigravity create motion graphics videos for you in just seconds. This is an example video I managed to create, basically a simple intro for our YouTube channel. I spent only one prompt on this and the quality already looks good, but it can get better and better, and it can get longer as well with if you specify what you want exactly in the prompt. So all of this will be achieved using Remotion inside Antigravity. If you don't know about Remotion, it is actually a tool that allows you to create videos based on code. We are going to use it as a skill inside Antigravity and make Antigravity create those videos for us. So all you have to do is just go to the Remotion website first of all, and in the website you will find this command here. Just copy it. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your PC so to be able to run this command. Go back to Antigravity, select your folder where you want the project to be installed, go to terminal, click on new terminal and paste in this command here. Give it a bit of time and you will see this appear here. So we're gonna select a blank project. We're gonna start with a blank canvas. Click on it. Select yes for add Tailwind CSS and yes for add agent skill. As you can see, it has selected the skill that's gonna get installed, and I have already selected the agents here, Antigravity and Gemini CLI. All you have to do is just select this option here, select specific agents, and then select Antigravity and Gemini CLI. After that, hit enter. If you want to install it globally, go ahead and select global, but if you want to install it in this project only, just click on this project. Enter again, and then select yes to proceed with the installation. Give it a bit of time, and as you can see, it has been installed already, and now it is ready to use. What we're gonna do is we are going to actually create an intro for our YouTube channel. For that, I will go ahead and public here. You can see the folders have been installed already. Right click, click on a new folder, and we are going to create a new folder called asset. All right, and here we are going to import all the assets we need from images, videos, etc. I'm gonna provide it the logo of our YouTube channel as well as a screenshot from the YouTube channel. I'm gonna paste it real quick here, and I'm gonna paste it again. Here's the screenshot I took. And here I'm going to tell Remotion to create the intro for me. Alright, I have prepared the prompt. It is a simple prompt. Of course, you can go more in details if you want better quality, but this is just for the simplicity sake of the tutorial. But before we hit send on this prompt here, we are gonna go back to the terminal and then enter this command here, npm install. So let's go here. This will allow us to install all the node modules or dependencies for Remotion to work. Give it a bit of time. Alright, as you can see, it has finished installing the dependencies and we see the node modules folder appear here. So now we are ready to send in this prompt here. So let's go ahead and send it. Alright, now it's reading the Remotion skills we have installed using the skill.md. It found the logo and the screenshot we inputted, and now it's analyzing the animations files from the skills. It noticed that it needs to install a couple of things, such as the transitions package from Remotion. It will install it in a bit. It created the implementation plan. Let's go ahead and check it. I don't want to read it, just to keep it simple. Let's go review it. Perfect. And then submit and let it finish the work. All right, we're going to accept this. As you can see, it encountered an error, but it auto-fixed it on its own. And now the package is installed. All right, and now it has finished creating the animation for us. It's asking me to execute this npm run dev command, which allows us to start Remotion to view the timeline and the animations we created. So let's go ahead and accept it. And as you can see, it has opened the Remotion page. And now let's go ahead and watch the animation it created. All right, looks good. As you can see, it has used the logo, use the text with a ramp up by word that I have mentioned, and then it showed the tech and AI tutorials. All right, perfect. But I wanted to actually, it told me already if I want to render the video, but let's actually, before rendering, let's try to make it use the screenshot we provided, because as I saw from the video it generated, it didn't use the screenshot I provided. So let me say, all right, I didn't specify more. I will just let it do its thing. I could, I guess, tell it use it as a background for when the tech and AI tutorials appear. But let me see what it actually does. But yeah, it actually can do a lot of more complex things. This is just a simple use case, but it does very good animations for SaaS products, etc. They're really good. All right, it has finished. Let's go check the final result now. All right, the text, the screenshot, and the final text. Yeah, that works fine. I guess it did a really good job. And yeah, of course, if you now want to render this video, let's go ahead and copy this command here and try and paste it here. It's now rendering the video. And voila, we have the output folder. Let's go ahead and we can see now the rendered result. So the logo, the text appearing, the screenshots, and the tech and AI tutorial. So yeah, this has been it, guys. This is how you can use Antigravity to actually generate motion graphics videos using Remotion skills. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.